What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape Facebook ads automatically by creating a simple automation on make.com. Let's get started. To scrape Facebook ads, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. So create an account on Apify, and after creating an account, head over to Apify store. And here, we're going to search the website that we would like to scrape. In our case, we'd like to scrape Facebook. So I'll search for Facebook. And here you can see 176 tools that you can use to perform an action on Facebook. So here you can see a tool that you can use to scrape Facebook posts, groups, comments, pages, events, reviews, marketplace, photos, ad library, hashtags, like profile and pages, reels, and so much more. Now, to scrape Facebook ads, I'm going to search for Facebook ads and click on search. And here you'll see 15 tools that you can use to scrape Facebook ads. Now, to scrape Facebook ads, I'm going to use this tool over here. Here, I'm going to paste the ad library of an example company I would like to scrape their ads. So here, I like to scrape ads for this company. I'll copy the URL and then paste the URL over here. Here, I would like to scrape a total of 10 ads. Here, you can also perform a search filter for the page URLs. You can filter the ads by active ads over here and the date range. I'm going to choose active ads that have been active for the last 30 days. And then to scrape the ads, I'm going to click on save and start. Here you can see that our tool is running and it's getting our data. Here you can see we scraped a total of 10 ads from our company and we got the information over here. So here we're getting all this information over here, including the URL of the page over here. Now, to get concrete data of our ads, I'll create a simple automation on Make. So on Make, I'll search for Apify, since we're using Apify to scrape ads. So here I'll click on Run an Actor module. Here I'm going to choose my connection. But if you haven't created a connection between your Apify account and Make, click on Add. And then here you'll rename your connection. Then from Apify, you'll paste your API token over here. To get your API token, on Apify, click on Settings. Then click on API and Integration. Here you'll find your personal API token. All you have to do is copy it and then come and paste it right here and click on Save. And your connection will be created. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close and choose my connection over here. And then here I'm going to choose our tool. We are using this tool right here, the Curious Coder. You can see we're using this tool over here, crafted by Curious Coder. This is the tool that we're going to choose over here. Here we're going to choose to run synchronously, and then here we'll input our JSON. Now, on our tool, you'll see where it says manual and JSON. Click on JSON, and here we're going to copy our JSON. But before we paste it over here, we're going to format our JSON using a JSON formatter tool. So I'll paste our JSON right here, and now to format it, I'm going to click on Process. And then here, I'm going to copy our JSON after it has been formatted and paste it right here. And then here, I'll click on Save. Here, I'll add another module. And then on Apify, I'm going to click on Get a Dataset Item. Here, we'll add our dataset ID, which is the default dataset ID right here, and click on Save. Here, I'll rename this module to Facebook Ads Scraper. And then click on OK. And here, I'll rename this module to Get Facebook Ads, and then click on OK. To test if automation works, I'm going to choose to scrape ads of a different company, this company right here. So I'll copy the link to this ad library, and on our module here, I'll paste the URL over here, and click on Save. Now to test if automation works, I'll run it. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we succeeded in scraping ads that our company is running. And here we're getting a total of 10 ads that we scraped using our tool on Apify. And then on each and every single ad or snapshot, we are getting the information of our ad. including the ad copy, the call to action of the ad, the display format, if the company is running an image ad or a video ad. And if they're running a video ad, you can see here we're getting the link to the video that they're running. We're also getting the title of the ad, page profile picture, and all this other relevant information over here. And we're getting all this info for each and every single ad that they're running over here. So a total of 10 ads. So even on the first ad that they're running on snapshot, you can see the ad copy, the call to action that they're using, if they're running an image ad or a video ad. Then if they're running a video ad, we're getting the URL of the video, also getting the title of the ad over here. Now, with our Facebook ads over here, we can add the ads to a Google spreadsheet. So I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to scraping sheet. On this spreadsheet, I've created a sheet that I've renamed to Facebook ads. And this is the sheet that we're going to add our ads after we've scraped them using our tool on Apify. Here we're going to add the Facebook ad title, the display format, the call to action, the Facebook ad copy, and the Facebook ad URL. This will be the video URL of the ad. Now, to add our ads to our spreadsheet, here I'll add another module, and then on Google Ads, I'll click on Add a Row module. I'm going to search for our spreadsheet. I'm going to click on our spreadsheet. For the sheet name, I'm going to choose Facebook Ads. It will say the table contains headers, and here we're going to add values to our columns on our spreadsheet with the data that we got after we scraped our ads using our tool on Apify. For the Facebook Ads title, we're going to add the ad title over here. The display format, we're going to add the display format over here. Call to action, we're going to add the call to action text. Facebook ad copy, we're going to add the text over here. And the Facebook ad URL, we're going to add the video URL. So on videos, we're going to add the video as the URL over here, and then click on save. So here, I'll rename this to Facebook ads. And then click on OK to scrape our ads using our tool, get the ads, and then add our ads to our spreadsheet. I'll run automation again. Here, you can see that automation ran again successfully. We succeeded in scraping 10 ads that our company is running. Here we're getting the 10 ads over here, including their details and information. Then we are adding the ads with the information to our spreadsheet. Now, on our spreadsheet, here you can see we added our ad information to our spreadsheet over here. Here, we scraped a total of 10 ads, and then we added the information here. So here we add in the Facebook ad title, the display format, call to action of the ad copy, which is this ad copy right here, and the video URL of the ad that they're running on their page to a spreadsheet by creating this simple automation on Make over here. Now, another thing that we can do to automation, here, you can see that we are hard coding the ad library of our company over here. Instead of doing it manually, we can add the ad libraries of the different companies that you're trying to scrape their ads on a spreadsheet. On our scraping sheet, I've created another sheet that I've renamed to Facebook ads links. This is a sheet that we're going to add the company name that would like to scrape their ads with a link to the ad library. So on Make, I'll click on Google Sheet, then click on Watch a Row module right here. This will be our trigger. So I'll connect it and then auto align it. Yeah, I'll rename this to Add Library Links. Then click on OK. And here, I'm going to choose our spreadsheet, which is scraping sheet. I'm going to choose our sheet name, which this time around, I'm going to choose the Facebook ads links sheet. Table contains headers, yes, and we can limit it to 1. And click on save. It's asking me to choose where to start. You can start since a specific ID, all, or choose manually. I'm going to choose manually and choose one of our company's ad library that I'd like to scrape. can choose our previous company right here, then click on save. Now, on our tool, instead of hard coding the link over here, you can add the company Facebook ad library URL over here, and then click on save. Now, to test if automation will scrape ads of our company that we chose over here, then get the ads and add them to our Facebook ads sheet. I'll run automation. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we got our company name and the ad library link that we like to scrape the ads. Then here we're scraping the ads. And then here we're getting the 10 ads that we scraped over here. And then we're adding the 10 ads to our spreadsheet using this module over here. Now, when we go back to our spreadsheet and click on the Facebook ads sheet, here you can see we have additional 10 ads that we scraped using our automation over here. So we scrape the Facebook ad title, display format of the ad, call to action on the ad, the Facebook ad copy, and the video URL of the ad that the company is running by creating this simple automation on Make over here. After adding our ads and their data to a spreadsheet, you can take our automation a step further and create video titles, video concepts, video scripts, mirroring the successful ads that are being run by competitor brands. You can generate ad copy using AI for your brand, mirroring successful ads that are being run by your competitors. You can also transcribe the video ads and use the transcription to generate video concepts, hooks, video titles, call to actions, and scripts for your ads. By creating this simple automation on Make, you'll be able to scrape Facebook ads and get the ads and add them to a spreadsheet that looks similar to this one right here, where now you can take it a step further and use the ad copy and video transcription of competitors' ads to generate your own titles, concepts, scripts, and hooks for your video ads, mirroring the successful ads of your competitor. And you're doing that by creating the simple automation on Make. Now, if you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I land in your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire system or automation from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.